you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner. This is good. This is excellent. But one of the important common requirement for every business is the team. How you are utilizing your team strategically and providing the insightful informations to the customer, to the investor, to the boards, to the management. These all work are to be performed by your team. Your team can make your business or break your business. This is all depend upon the team, that how teams are working with the commitment, how teams have the strategically thinking power, how teams are supporting to the business. Team performance is everything for you. If you have a right and committed team, your business can be grow exponentially. If you do not have the right and committed team, your business can be break. Doesn't matter how many customers you have in the basket. Doesn't matter how much business value you have in your business. If you do not have the right team, you are not going to perform more for your business, and your business is not going to grow more. Your product quality might be good, your service quality might be great, but if you do not have the right team, if you do not have the committed team, your business cannot be increased more. Your business enhancement is a question. So, if you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, particularly for the small, medium retail sectors, you have to think more that how you are utilizing and providing the opportunities to your team. That is going to help you more in your business. The success in any of the business is not the contributions of the entrepreneur or the business owner only. Your business can be successful only and only if you have the right and committed team, because your team is going to increase the value of the business on behalf of you. If you do not have the right and consistent teams, in that case you are working as an entrepreneur, you are not going to work for those areas where you have to work. You are going to work for those day-to-day operations, because you do not have the right and committed team, you do not have the balanced team. What would happen in that case when you have the more customer query? You do not have the right and balanced team. In that case, you have to come and approach to those query, resolve those query. So team is everything. If you have a right and balanced team, you can add more than thousands of the customer, and thousands of customer can become in your basket. But if you do not have the right and balanced team, your existing customer will also go on. Your existing customer will also not be in your basket. So team is supreme. Team is important. If you are caring to your team can care your business. If you do not care to your team, if you do not value to your team, your business cannot be care more. In this regard, I want to break down for you the six steps that is going to help you to determine more that how you are going to create the right performer team, how you are going to create the correct performer team, which can help you in order to increase the business value more, which can help you as a helping and providing those opportunity to you. That is more important. So what are those six steps? These six steps is nothing. This is 6R that you have to take care in your business. And if you are implementing this in your business, my dear fellow ladies and gentlemen, your business opportunity would be increased. So the six are, the number one is the recruit the right peoples. If you have the right peoples in the right place, in the right job, your product value can be increased more, because the right person's recruitment for a right job can help you more in terms of increasing the productivity and the value of the business. So make sure that when you are going to hire the people, be as specific about your requirement and delivered accordingly. Hire those people who can be able to deliver as per the your specification, as per the your expectations. Right people hiring is one of the common requirement, is one of the most requirement for your business growth and for your team performance. The number two, which is very important for increasing the performance within the team, is the role clarities. If you have a team, In that particular team, you have to segregate the role and responsibility of the team basis of their specialization, specifications, and their expertise. And that can help you in order to increase the values to your business, in order to increase the productivity in your business. So the role clarity is one of the important factor in order to increase the performance within the team. With this, the third point is the remunerate them well. You have a team, doesn't matter what size of the team you have, but if you have a right and committed team, if you have a trust on the team, if you wanted to create more values by considering the performance of the team, then please remunerate them well. Understand this. This is very important. If you have a intangible assets in your hand, you have to utilize your mind in order to increase the productivity of your business, your values. How you are going to utilize your mind, this is up to you only. So if you are remunerating them well, might be 5%, 10% extra as per the market, it is going to help you in order to increase the business value, the productive value, and your business as the overall can be grow more. So remunerate them well is one of the right approach for performing within the team overall. Remunerate them well. With this, the number 4 point is review their work consistently. If you have a small team or you are working as an entrepreneur, you have a startup business, you do not have the team manager, team leader, you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, and all those persons or the team members are reporting to you. Please understand this. Take a review mechanism. Do the review at least one a week, one a fortnight, or on a month basis, so that where is your business is right now and what the business you had for a month, for a half year, for a year, that you can be able to increase the productivity basis of what the commitment you have made and what they have delivered. This is very important that you have to take a review. If you are not taking the review mechanism, then in that case, your team is not going to perform the way you want it to be. Your team is not going to deliver the way you wanted to deliver your expectations with the customer. So review the team is going to help you to create the right and balanced team and the performer team. That is going to help you more. With this, the 5 point is about the respect to the teams. That is very important. You have hired the team. You have not acquired the team. You have to understand the difference between the hiring of the team and acquiring the team. If you are working as an entrepreneur and your intention here is that you are paying the salary, so you are acquiring the team, you can ask anything. In that case, you are going to kill your business by your hand, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. You have to understand the requirement here. You have hired the team and what the specializations the team has, you are set the expectations as per their specializations, as per their expertise, and respect them with their work. Express your happiness, express the concerns with the team members. You have to ask individually the team member about their families, about their performance, about their problems, about their achievement. When you are doing this as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, as a team leader, the power that is called the boosting power is going to increase within the team, within that particular persons. So respect them, ask them, ask their personal questions, ask about their personal life, ask their the intentions what they wanted to do. It is going to help your business more and increasing the business value overall. So this is one of the important factor for the high performance of the team. If you wanted really, with this, the number 6 point is the reward and recognitions. This is very important. You have to recognize the talent. You do not need to recognize to the human. You have to recognize the talent. If you really feel that yes, because of this talent, our business is growing more. Our business is growing exponentially. Our business have more values. You have to recognize the talent, my dear friend. And with this, if you are recognizing, that recognition is going to help you more in order to increase the value of your business. Because once the persons have recognized, some another team members will also work accordingly, because they will also find that yes, if this person has recognized, why I'm not? I have to also work the way he has worked so that I would be in the next level. And if there is a competitions within the team to make sure that I have to go into the reward and recognitions, imagine how the work is going to be standardized, how you find out the speed up in the work and the right and committed work we will find out within the time frame. So this 6R can help you to boost and right performer team. You can help to your business more. Your business can be increased more. Your productivity can be increased more. And what the expectations you have set, you can be able to deliver easily. Keep remember, if you do not have the right and balanced team, you're not able to win whatever you have expected to yourself. You're not able to win what you have expected to yourself. If you have a right and balanced team, you can be able to win any of the situations, any of the task what you have said. Doesn't matter whether you have a thousands of customer, hundred of customer. If you have a right and committed team, you can be easily achieve the target. And if you do not have the right team, your existing customer will also leave you. So it is up to you only that how you are making to yourself and ensuring to yourself that how the right performance is going to help in order to increase more business value. Think about this and utilize this, implement this in your business and grow more. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.